Physical memories hold a lot of sentimental value for most people, yet they are often lost in various different circumstances. In this day and age, it's all too easy to gradually forget the countless conversations, events, and cherished moments we've shared with our loved ones. That's why we've created RoloTim.ai, your digital memory guardian. With Tim, forgetting becomes a thing of the past. It's your digital memory bank, meticulously cataloging every nostalgic interaction with a design that brings to mind the old-fashioned Rolodex.
Here's our homepage for the RoloTim.ai. Two options for the user. One is going to the Rolodex, and then another side you can go record. Let's take a look at to the go to Rolodex. We designed like Rolodex, but it's a digital version. You can see the list of connection they have, and then users are able to view the storyline, particularly well listed the summary they were talking about, and then the date, the event's name, and then the location. The user also able to add it in the notes.
I'll be going over the backend system for application, over the web React webcam, voice to text, and face recognition. So first, what we did was to record people's face capture photos using React webcam, and then we pass that to our backend of Python. We use face recognition to distinguish their face and separate them from other people. We also have a voice to text module as well built in, take their transcript and then pass that as well to the backend. So let's look at our backend here. I'm primarily using Flask as to pass the to do get and post. So we're also using face recognition to get people's faces and then identify their face. And as well as we're using Firebase for our storage system. So we're storing people's information such as their events, their name, and their face as well.
Tim, begin. Hey there.
I wanted to share my experience at an art event on the 8th of October called Artistry Expo. It was an art exhibition in Toronto starting at 2 p.m.
Tim, stop.
I have our Firebase right here. And we can see here that there are a list of documents that are here that are saved collection of data, such as the encoding for the vertices for the people's face and their names right here.
Be talking about the rest of our backend features, namely the AI implementation features. In order to extract the required information from our transcript, we first leverage the powerful Cohere API in order to summarize our transcript neatly and concisely into one or two sentences containing all of the essential information. Next, we use the OpenAI API to get single-line information such as the person's first name, the name of the event, the date of the event, and the location of the event. Finally, we presented all of this information in a friendly user interface containing a list of all of these events associated with that person's name. After this, we implemented another Cohere API. This time we used the re-rank feature and created a search engine that would basically re-rank all of the displayed events in the order of which event best matched the search query.